Hello guys, welcome to Highway Tech TV. Last week we started building an API that connects to a database, MongoDB database to be precise, and we're able to write a logic to fetch data from the database and postulate it with an API. So this week we are going to be adding our post, puts, and delete logic so that we can actually post a new contact and we can modify a contact and also delete a contact altogether. And also one thing that is very important is to add documentation to our APIs. APIs are application programming interface where computer program speaks with each other. So for this week, we are going to be adding documentation to our API using Swagger, and also add other verbs like post, put, and delete to our MongoDB database. So I will not be going too much into explanation of the code. I will just display the functionality of the program and even the code I was able to write. We'll be using Swagger to write using Swagger for our API documentation. Feel free to write a comment below if there's any question or anything you want to talk about the video. You are all free. So we'll go into our logic for the user's controller, and from the line 54, let me zoom it a little. So from the line 31 prescribes, we were able to create a new user through the line 53, then line 54 through to line 77, we're able to update a user, then line 79 through to line 97, we're able to delete a user. So feel free to ask me any question or make any comment about the logic of the code and in the comment section. Like I said earlier, I will not be going into explanation of the details of the code, but just to show the functionality of the program. So I'll quickly go to the URL of the quickly go to the URL, which is here. Press enter and wait for it to load. I'll pause the video to check. So this is the hello world display of the server. So I'll quickly just go, when I go to slash users, it displays the users in the database. So I'll also go to API docs to check this documentation of the API using Swagger. So for the home page, I can just try it out, execute, and I get a hello world response. So if I want to go to the get all, I will try it out, execute. Okay. There's an error. Okay. Okay. So I'll go into the users. You go into the users, yes, slash users. Then users, try it out, execute. You can see it brings all the users in the database. So we can also try the post request. Post is to add users to the database. So to try it out, I'll just try it out from here, and I'll add any name. Let's say Michael. Surname is neighbor, and his email address will be Michael neighbor at gmail.com. Then favorite color white, yes. Then birth date 1989 May 19. So I can execute it. So it gives me the response bar 204. It means that it has been added. So if I go back to my get all users, I should be able to see the Michael that was recently added to the database. Okay, there is it over here. All right, thank you very much. If you have any question or comment, feel free to post it and do well to share.